Firstly, link all electric and pneumatic supply. Install the vertical column and the auxiliary arm. Pay special attention to it that bracing column must precisely point to the center of the turntable. Then fix tight the screws. Demounting tile. Press the tile from the rim to its minimum diameter position with pedal. Depress the column tilting pedal. Vertical column will tilt back. Select made, outside stick or inner attach. Take care for protecting rim. Extend the joist to a position a bit wider than the rim diameter. Place the wheel on the turntable. Let the pressing column press down the rim. Depress the clamping pedal twice to clamp the wheel rim firmly in place. Meanwhile, lift up the press column. Adjust right hip arm height. Press tile with pressing disc a suitable position. Press reverse pedal. Rotate the turntable to detach the bead from the rim. Lubricate tile and rim. Step pneumatic reverse pedal. Make tilting arm recover. Adjust the demounting head beside rim in a suitable position. Look the mounting head above rim 2 to 3 mm to it. Adjust the rule of right hip arm and the mounting head. Press tile, then insert lever into tile. Move ruler away after finish. The complete lining of left hip arm. Press tile with bead brake to the side at rim diameter. Move the bead opposite to the mounting head. Raise tile with lever above the mounting head. Rotate turntable. Detach bead from the rim. Move big rolling plates of both left and right auxiliary arms at the same time to the underneath tile and lift it up. Demount tile low side. Step pneumatic tilting pedal. Make tilting arm. Take up the tile and continue to demount the other side of wheel with lever. Mount tile. Firstly, lubricate the tile and steel rim. Take tile on rim. Step pneumatic back pedal. Make tilting arm recover. Move the mounting head beneath tile. Step reverse pedal. Rotate turntable. Mount tile low side to rim. Press the tile below the mounting head with roll of right auxiliary arm. Move the left auxiliary arm beside the mounting head. Press the tile with its roll of minimum diameter position of the rim. Step reverse pedal. Rotate turntable. Push the roll by hand to move along with the turntable. Rotate until the tile is completely mounted. Finally, inflate tile fully.